Hey everyone, it's Klein and welcome to Making My Viewers Suffer Less. At least that's what I hope it will achieve. This will be a series of update videos where we can just hang out as I vlog about getting new stuff and equipment in the pursuit of creating higher quality videos. For this video, I'm finally getting rid of my old mic and sharing the first ever beginner professional microphone that I ever bought in my entire life. This is the Phonebox PB-MM1. It's listed on this store for 399 Philippine pesos on Shopee. But since I'm crazy about discount coins and vouchers, I got it for 310 pesos. Initially, I was going to get a Boya microphone, but for some reason the stores with good reviews don't deliver to my location. So anyway, let's test out what I got. The box came in with this nice thick bubble wrap, but something probably happened during delivery and the box got dented, but that's alright as long as it still works. It says that it's compatible with plenty of gadgets. However, I only use a smartphone for recording, so I'm only testing that for now. Opening the box, I get an instruction manual, a red handle clip thing, the mic that comes with the dead cat attached, 2 plugs, one for smartphones and the other for cameras, and my favorite, this really cute free bag. I don't know much about audio, but this free bag makes me really happy. I like that the instructions come with clear pictures and the important parts are quite easy to understand. Well, except for the advanced things that only advanced users might care about. The mic itself has a good feel to it, but take everything I say with a grain of salt because this is my first mic. Now let's actually test the mic and make some comparison recordings. This is how I sound like using my old wired earphones. While recording, there's a household appliance humming in the background. This is how I sound like using my Phonebox microphone. While recording, there's an appliance humming in the background. Now the next 2 audio clips are the same ones, but I apply some noise reduction. This is how I sound like using my old wired earphones. While recording, there's a household appliance humming in the background. This is how I sound like using my Phonebox microphone. While recording, there's an appliance humming in the background. So this is me using my earphones next to a fan. This is me using my new microphone next to a fan. So this is me using my earphones next to a fan. This is me using my new microphone next to a fan. After hearing the recordings, here are my honest thoughts. As a beginner who doesn't know much about audio, this is a good and very affordable product to start with when making videos. It definitely makes some difference, especially with catching the bass of a voice. It's great because I feel like my recording is starting to sound more like the way I hear myself talk. I'm really happy that the furry windshield works because it definitely lessens harsh wind sounds. Also, using it is really easy. It's literally just plug and play with my smartphone. So what do you think of my first ever mic? Do you think the sound was enhanced? I guess from now on, until I get a better mic, this is what I'll be using for my videos. Thanks so much for watching this video and hanging out with me for a while. I'm letting you know that I'm working on the crafting videos, and thank you for being patient as I take a lot of time with crafting, recording, and editing. Hope you have a good day or night, and I'll see you again next time here at Kleinveld.